Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ichigo Anime Vanguard. First, you'll want to download the Ichigo Anime Vanguard application. Make sure you're getting it from a trusted source to ensure security and proper functionality. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation. The process is straightforward, usually taking less than 2 minutes. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to launch the app and begin exploring its features in no time. It's designed for ease of use. Once Ichigo Anime Vanguard is installed, open the application. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface, typically featuring a main dashboard. This is where you can browse new releases, popular series, and curated collections. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The search bar is your best friend for finding specific anime. Just type in the title or a keyword, and results will appear instantly. You can also filter by genre or studio for a more refined search experience. After finding your desired anime, simply tap on an episode to start streaming. Ichigo Anime Vanguard offers various playback options, allowing you to pause, fast-forward, or rewind with ease. You can also adjust the video quality settings. If your internet connection is slower, choosing a lower resolution can prevent buffering. For optimal viewing, select the highest quality available. Many shows also offer subtitle options in multiple languages, enhancing your viewing experience. Ichigo Anime Vanguard offers more than just streaming. Utilize the watch list feature to save series you want to watch or are currently following, ensuring you never lose your place. Dive into the community section to see ratings and reviews from other users, which can help you discover hidden gems or decide what to watch next. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your anime journey with all these fantastic tools at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.